Hey guys, welcome to the finale of this Age of Ascension opening. Today we're going to open these last 4 decks in our Age of Ascension case, and this is going to be the final video of the series, and I really enjoyed this one. I might have to get another one so that we can do this again, but without further ado, let's get right into it. Here we go with our first deck. I'm very excited to open more decks. Alright, here we go. So we have Shadows, Untamed, and Dis. And we have Idol, Shiloh of the Harbor, I think, maybe. Yeah, it looks pretty cool. Let's get this one unwrapped. Alright, here we go. First card is gonna be Mimicry. Interesting first card. Alrighty. We got Grasping Vines. Okay. Chota Hazri, I think. I don't really know. But yeah, Key Cheat, that's always good. Camouflage, Regrowth, Persistence Hunting, Marmosworm, Nox. Ooh, Key Charge. We got 2 Key Cheats in this deck. What in the world? We might be able to OTK with this deck, which means you can forge all 3 keys in one turn. I'm not sure. I mean, it's a potential. Yeah, I don't know. You could maybe do it with the Persistence Hunting that we already pulled. Let's see if there's something else that we could use. Okay, Full Moon. Okay, gain 2 Ember for each damage-friendly creature. Okay. Rigged Lottery, nice. Customs Office. Subdome Mall. Dusk Runner. Whistling Darts. Huh. Whistling Darts, nice. Umbra. Ronnie Wristlocks, Life for a Life. Okay. Bad Penny, okay. Soul Snatcher. Hecatomb. Hecatomb, goodness. Pandemonium. Anguish. Oh boy. Yerk. I have been told to enjoy this card for what it is, but it's hard, but at least it's not Ancient Yerk, right? Alright. Unlock Gateway. Okay. Tesmal. Not Finished With You. Double. Triple. Nice. And Lash of Broken Dreams and Exhume. Okay. That one could be really good. I am going to definitely have to look at the ranking of this one. But this one's got to be up there. I mean, 2 Key Cheats in one deck. There's probably a way to forge all 3 in one turn. I'm not sure. You might need you would obviously need a lot of Ember, and you would also need to have both of these cards in your hand. But the fact that I got both of them is actually crazy. The Key Charge and this one. So yeah, that's really cool. Yeah, we're gonna have to rank this one. I don't know. Seems like it would be up there in the percentages. I don't have a too high of an Age of Ascension deck ranking wise because it's, I don't know, this set just never seems to have super high ranking decks. I mean, there's some out there, but not a ton. So, alrighty, let's go to the second deck. Alrighty, here we go. So, I'm just gonna leave that one over there. Okay. Technical difficulties. Okay. There we go. So, here we go. We've got Mars, Logos, and Shadows. A Genka opportunity, which is always good. Flexiking Harbor Spirit Caller. Interesting. I'm not sure We had another Harbor deck over here with Harbor in the name. Alright, let's get this thing unwrapped. Alright. The chances of us getting Genka would be crazy, but Lethal Distraction, nice. Special Delivery, Perplexing Sophistry, Little Nif, Lights Out. So another thing that I wanted with this opening was a Maverick, and I don't think I got one, if I remember correctly. I got the Legacy at the first video, but other than that, I don't think I got a Maverick, but I did get a couple other cool things, so you should go check those videos out if you're interested. But anyway, Hidden Stash, Swindle's always nice, Ronnie Wrist Clocks, goodness, can't speak, Knuckles Bolt On, Double, okay, Bad Penny, alright, here we go, let's see if we got Genka, okay, not bad, ooh, Key Abduction, Moment of Truth, let's see, destroy them all, we have a chance. I don't know where it is in the numbers down here, but let's see, Mother Gun, Double, Triple, goodness, Agent Human, we didn't get it, but that's kind of cool though. Key Abduction, another key cheat. So far, we're being overruled by the key cheats. It's more key cheats than decks so far. 3 to 2, sorry. Knowledge is Power, Sloppy Lab Work, Rocket Boots, Research Smoko, Jar Goggle, Interdimensional Graft, nice. ZYX Researcher, Wild Wormhole, Pip Pip, Cutthroat Research, Archimedes, and Double. So I'm curious to see, because I don't think I had 2 really cool combos that were opportunities here, which was Brig, which is Binate Rupture and Interdimensional Graft, but that's okay. Yeah, I mean, it looks like a pretty good deck. You know, would have liked the Genka, but that's okay. Here, let's look at this. Oh, I did not know we had a Legacy. Alright, this is the mini. Where is that? The 3 Mother Guns is actually really cool. Oh, wrong one. Alright, right here. So this is our Legacy of this deck. That's a cool Legacy to have. Yeah. This card's really cool because, as you can see, it reads, Fight Rape, you may reveal a creature from your hand. If you do, archive it. And this card gets 3 +1 power counters. And that doesn't really put you down a card because it's just archiving it. And it's just a creature. It doesn't have to be in the House of Mars. So you're not getting rid of a card that you could have played, for example. So, yeah, I really think that's a cool card. Definitely a cool Legacy. We'll have to see what it's ranked. Alrighty guys, moving on to our second to last deck. I've always had the experience that the bottom layer of a case is always the best, and so far it's proving to be true. We have a Legacy so far, so it's exciting. Goodness, did not mean to do that. Okay, I'm not gonna give that a shot, but if you guys want to attempt that, you can do that. Yeah, I'm not gonna try that, but yeah, I mean, interesting houses, Shadows, Brobnar, and Untamed. Not bad houses. Let's see what we get. Alrighty, I already put the card down there, the deck list card. Alright, Shard of Life to start it off. Pampaka Jaga, nice. Nature's Call, imagine we had another key cheat, that would be crazy. Song of Spring, Persistence Hunting, Marmo Swarm, Nox, Grovekeeper, Glimmer, Duskwitch. Okay, Shard of Greed. It's another shard deck, actually. Wait, I think isn't there I don't know how many shards there are, but I know that I actually opened my first shard deck a couple days ago. Shard of Green, Skeleton Key, Lights Out, Hideaway Hole, Yahtzee Gang, Whistling Darts, Umbra, Miasma. Is it Miasma or Miasma? I don't know. Let me know. Knuckles Bolton. Alright, Investors. Alright. Bad Penny. Interesting. War Grumpus. Ooh, Shard of Strength. Nice. We got another shard now. Little Rapskull. We have... Okay. Interesting. I mean, hey, it is an alpha card, so that's why I wasn't too sure. Blood of the Titans, Wall Up the Titanic, Into the Fray, Groggins, Foozle, Calfine, and Calfine. Interesting Brobnar. Not sure how I feel about that. Alright, so no Mavericks, no Legacies. I don't know how I feel about this deck. I mean, if we look here, I don't know, the shards are kind of cool. I was able to get 2 shards. So the Shard of Life and the Shard of Strength. I don't know. Let me know if you guys know how many shards there are, because I don't know for sure. But it's like, it's almost like the Infinity Stones, if I'm gonna be honest. Alrighty. Well, that's that deck. That one I feel like might be lower, because it didn't have anything special in it. But I could be wrong. There could be something that I'm missing. We'll just have to see. Moving on to our 4th and final deck. Alright, here we go. Final deck of the series. Can we pull a Genka or a Maverick? Something fun. Let's see. Ooh, Mars. Nice. Ooh, cool Archon with the purple. That's kind of cool. Libramom, I don't know. The King of Acrobatics. Interesting. Alright, let's see what this one has. Alrighty, here we go. Final deck of the series. Kendrith Longshot to start it off. Way of the Porcupine. Interesting. Bumblebird. They're everywhere. Okay. Interesting. I don't necessarily like this card. It's okay. Nox. Oh, speaking of which, I don't know. I mean, discarding a random card from your opponent's archives. I mean, if it had like logos from Mass Mutation, like Ultra Gravitron, that kind of thing, then this card could be great. But I don't know how much it's good if you're facing an AoA deck. We'll just have to see. Nox, Key Charge, another key cheat. That's our 4th key cheat. Wow, that's crazy. Grove Keeper, Full Moon. All right, here we go. Off to Mars. Let's see. Do we get it? So far, not yet. I don't think we got it because it's there. Mindworm. Interesting. Mindwarper. Mars Needs Ember. Double. Mars First. Double. Agent Human. Probably one of my favorite cards right now, but... Ooh, Redacted. After you choose a Logos as your active house, place 1 Ember from the common supply on Redacted. When there are 4 more Ember on Redacted, sacrifice it and forge a key at no cost. So we actually got another 2 key cheats in one deck. That's actually really cool. We have the one from Key Charge and this one, which is actually really cool. Alrighty, moving on. Rocket Boots, double. Remote Access. I love Remote Access. Titan Mechanic. Professor Sutterkin. Poke. Pip. Hexpian. Igor. And Cutthroat Research. So, yeah. I mean, another 2 double key cheat. Once again. Yeah. So, we'll have to see how that one ranks as well. I really don't know how these are going to rank. I think these ones might actually be higher only because the sheer amount of key cheats, but I don't know. The one that we just opened, our third deck, I don't know if that one's going to be as good. That's my guess. So yeah, we'll have to see. Let me get those ranked and we'll see what they are. Alrighty guys, so we have the results back, and our first deck was actually a 64 SAS, 54%, which is okay, but I kind of expected more with the key cheats, but it's okay. I don't know. I think, I mean, I'll definitely keep this deck because of the 2 key cheats. I think it's kind of cool that they have it. So yeah, I mean, this one was kind of cool to have those. I still want to see if this can OTK, so let me know if you guys can figure out a way so that I could do that in one turn, but I don't know exactly how I would do that. Like, I'm sure it's possible, but it would be pretty rare, I feel like, to happen. Moving on to, I believe, our actual highest deck percentage of the whole series. We have our legacy deck, and I'm very happy about how this came back with a 70 SAS, 84%, and it looks like that legacy pulled it off for us, and I'm very happy about this, especially with the key cheat in there. I think, yeah, wait, no, I don't remember, did this one have... Oh, yeah, key abduction. Goodness, I'm going blind. It's okay. So, alright, yeah, so that one I'm really happy about. This one, it continues to get worse. This one I knew wasn't going to be high, but I didn't think it was only going to be a 4%, so we're just going to leave that one be. Yeah, I don't know how I feel about that one. This one, however, with 2 key cheats, it being a 2%, I don't know how I feel about this one. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, with the Titan mechanic and the key cheat, I don't know that it should be 2%, but I don't know. Maybe there's something I'm missing that makes it so that there's not that good of stuff in here. I'm not sure. I'm not sure what makes it so low. So, anyway, so that's going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed these decks. I hope you enjoyed the series as well. Let me know if you want me to open more decks down in the comments, because I enjoy doing these videos because I love opening decks, but I also want to know if I'm doing a good job and if you guys think I should continue doing different decks from different sets, or if I should do the same set. Yeah, just let me know. And that's going to wrap it up for this video. Like I said, I hope you enjoyed. Let me know down in the comments what you think about these decks. And that's going to be it. I thank you all for watching. Have a great day. I'll see you in the next one.